How to fix Snapchat login error. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it and then click here on this data usage option. And now make sure right here that all those options are enabled. Go back and then click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back and then click on clear cache. And now what you want to do next is just go back again, and this time you have to click on the permissions. Make sure that all those permissions are enabled, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.